Welcome to Sally's Home, Sidu. So what we have here are units of 2 and 3 bedroom semi-detached bungalows. Nicely built to economy, very affordable. It can be accessed from 2 major roads. Very sweet looking interior.
If you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, only know me.
It can also be linked to the Lugbe Airport Road and as well to the Jabi Airport Road.
Hello, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come wine for me slowly.